Well, how should you position yourself for the final hour of trade? Mitessh Thakkar is back with us. Mitessh, well, if you bought the opening, you'll be in trouble. But if you waited for the intraday dip, which we saw around that 18,030 odd, you'll be still in the money. What's your take? Do you believe that we're going to test lower levels? Or do you believe that, in fact, we're closer to the lower end of the band? So maybe risk-reward could favor a buy. Your take on the index first.
Good afternoon. I think you wouldn't have bought the opening as I think 18,250 in the last few days had become an important pivot, and unless until that was being crossed, it was no reason to buy the opening because it was just below that. And I think we are broadly in this range of about 18,000 to 18,250, and we are now heading towards the lower end of the range. So I still believe that we will possibly test 18,000. The worry will come in case we start breaking below 18,000. Then I think it will be a clear-cut opening up of a short trade, and that could turn slightly on the negative side. So because the overall trend is still negative, I think I will wait for this breakdown to happen, and then below 18,000 will be aggressively short. On the stock side, as I've been mentioning throughout the day, we've kind of looked at adding on to short exposure and exiting long exposure. So I have two sell calls right now. Deepak Nitrate is something which is broken down. So that's a sell with a stop just above levels of 1991 for targets of around 1900. And the other one is Gujarat Gas. That's also a stock which gave a pullback and is now getting sold into. So that's a sell with a stop just at about levels of 486, 487. And a target of around 465 on the downside.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's address the first stock which is on our radar, Coal India. Nigel, why is that?